Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube video. And today I am going to teach you about a concept of MIS, Management Information System, and the topic related to it. And the topic is simple, short and sweet. That's information and system concept. So directly jumping into the information, we should have a little understanding of the data and its type and all the things related with it. So simply talking about data, what's data mean? You might be wondering what actually data is. So yeah, it's short and sweet, and it's simple that data is nothing but a set of data, might be unstructured or structured, which is usually collected um, digitally or can be with the simple reports also. So taking about talking about an example, if a student's number is counted by his teachers, that's also some set of data. So data are divided into two parts. They are qualitative data, also known as categorical data, and another one is quantitative data, or that's called numerical data. So yeah, what's qualitative data? Qualitative data are those types of data which can't be measured or counted in the form of numbers. They are simply categorized on the basis of the characteristics that they do have. Taking over the examples, gender, male or female, we really don't know the quantity of male and people, only we know its gender. He or she is a male, he is a male, she is a female, only that. And talking about religion, someone might be Hinduism, someone might be Christianity. Yeah, that's about qualitative data. Yeah, and quantitative data. Quantitative data is also known as numerical data. It will always answer the questions on the basis of how much, how many, and how often. So once the data are taken, they are represented either on a graphs or charts or line graphs or pie charts, or even in histograms sometimes. So examples include height or weight of a person, room temperature, scores and mark. The time, date and time will be also fall under quantitative data. So yeah, that's all data. Now let's jump into the information. As I previously told, that data are something which are raw and in unstructured form. So the main key difference between data and information is the structured, organized, and the processed data. Once we have collected the data, we will be processing it, reducing the unnecessary things, and finally maintaining some sorts of structure, and it's ready to be delivered. That's what information is. So the process of converting data to information involves various steps. The very first thing that we need to do is processing. Once the data is collected, the in the processing, the cleaning and preparing data for further analysis is done. It involves removing duplicates, correcting errors, and converting data into a standardized format. And another thing is organizing. Once we have removed the unnecessary things, now we need to organize or keep it in some structure, so that anyone who is going to further interpret it will be easily known which data falls under which categories. So the next thing is interpreting. Once the data are structured, are kept in structured way, they are now stored, or they are now kept into actionable insights on the use of various technologies, and also effective data visualization techniques and experts knowledge are done to derive the meaningful conclusions. Yeah, finally, structuring. Once the interpretation is presented concisely and is accessible to everyone, now they are fully accessible, uh, and it's made readily available to the users in the form of reports, dashboards, articles, which will eventually facilitate in the better understanding and decision making. Thank you.